Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whisper for September 5th, 2019. And wow, what a gapping day it is. Looks like we're going to have a gap and go scenario, so everybody get ready. We're going to be bullish above 297 for the SPY. I do have a 300 high-end, crazy high-end target. It could very possible. Look, there's no resistance in sight on the daily chart. We'll just take it level to level. However, if we turn around, we got to be prepared for the retracement. Are we going to pop and pop or pop and drop today? So if we go below 295.75, then there is a retracement trade down to the pivot, person's pivot, and the 8 exponential moving average. Let's go to the E-minis. E-minis bullish above 29.70 and bearish below 29.55. Same exact thing. There is a lot of room to the upside. Can definitely see them taking this market all the way up there, and then bam, we go down. But we're going to get the prints. We're never surprised. We always get the prints at the top. So I will let you know when we see them. IWM bullish above 150.20, bearish below 149.50. Again, going to be prepared on both sides today. QQQs bullish above 191.25 and bearish below 189.80 for the QQQs. We have the NASDAQ futures bullish above 78.37.50 and bearish below 7778. And the Dow futures bullish above 26.625 and bearish below 26.536. And you can see everything pretty much looks very similar as far as trade wise. Let's go to the oil futures. So Jeff F rocked these things. Thank you for your email, Jeff. He killed it yesterday. I was wondering, oops, I'll show you it over here. I was wondering who's killing it on the oil futures. I know we're trading a lot of oil stocks in the Java pit, and we've been doing really good with that. But the oil futures have been on fire. And let's see, he said he had an amazing day. Out of 5 contracts, he was up 91 plus on 3 and 72 on the other 2. So awesome, Jeff. Glad to hear there are some oil futures traders out there because these things are rocking. Okay, today we're going to be bullish above 56.20. We just went above that level. And bearish below 55.75 for that. Here was the pre-market volume right here between 55.75 and 56.02. That's how I got my levels. And if we just look at the weekly chart for a second. All right, you can see that we are reaching up again. And again, there's an upper trend line about 57.50. So there's room to go till we hit that. So that's awesome. Go grab that, Jeff. Okay, let's go to the gold futures. We've been getting a lot of prints on IAU, as I told you about yesterday. Oops, too many things there. Okay, so gold futures, we're going to be bullish above 15.57 and bearish below 15.47. Let's go to the individual stocks right now. All right, Roku was a huge winner yesterday. Otis in the Java pit rocked this thing for like $10. Nice job, Otis. Well, it looks like it might be a little up thrusty right now. We'll see. We're going to be bullish above 173.20 if it turns around for a day trade, and bearish below 170 for a retracement trade back down to the 4 EMA. Every time this thing has gone far away, it's pull back. That's the pattern. So, all right. Apple. Love Apple. Took a crazy lottery ticket trade on this one yesterday. It looks like it might pay off, guys. Those two 12.50s were about 30 cents. And they should be up pretty big today. Those are a steal. Yesterday, they expire tomorrow, but when you have a wide open space on the daily chart and you have dark pool prints that we closed above, yep, that's a pretty good lottery ticket trade. So yeah, if you want to learn more about that, I am doing a workshop coming up on September 26th. We have the early bird special. Just go to my Twitter feed, you'll see it, and go ahead and sign up. I'm going to teach you how to find these really cheap lottery ticket trades that are going to be jackpots. Well, at least, look, the risk is very small. The reward is huge. If it doesn't work out, we're only going to lose a couple of pennies. But if it does, we could do very, very well. Those are my favorite trades when you catch the option chain off guard. You're following dark pool activity on the stocks. And that's really the only way I like to trade these. So today, watch this 212 level. There's still a lot more room to go to the upside for Apple. Bearish below 210.50 for a retracement trade. GLD. Bullish above 146 today. Bearish below 144.80. We are coming down there. We'll see how gold acts. JD had some volume this morning. I like the chart. Bullish above 30.50. And bearish below 30 for JD. Bonds had a lot of, looks like, sell prints recently. We are below these prints, 148.18. Bullish above 147.50. And bearish below 145.50 for TLT. AMD, bullish above 31.75. You can see if it can just break above this spot right here. Look how many times it's tested it. 1, 2, 3. The fourth time might be the charm if it can. Yeah, there's some nice room above there for AMD, so watch that. I know Robert's probably going to trade that in the room. CN, Sharkman called this out. Yeah, nice, Cody. I like this. Either going to be a pop and pop, pop and drop. Bullish above 45. Bearish below. So bullish above 45. Bearish below 44 for a retracement trade down there. I like it. Yeah, thank you, everybody. Lady Hawk, thank you so much for your call outs in the morning. Very, very helpful. Really appreciate that. Facebook. Bullish above 189.25. Bearish below 188. Cody's rocking this one off those big prints that we had recently. Awesome job. And let's see what else we got. We had a couple more. FCX. I waited a really long time to trade this. Patience. We had those big prints at 950. Big prints at 930. I shorted this thing down. Then we had those recent prints, which I posted up at 908. We broke above that 930 level. Took a lottery ticket trade yesterday. We'll add to that in the Java pit today if we break above 950. I like that trade a lot. Yeah, remember, they were selling there, so I got to make sure they're not selling there anymore. But if they're not, we have a really nice trade to 980 right there. In fact, you know what? I got to change this. 980. Okay. CVS. Pinky and I are rocking this one for a while. I like this. Thanks to Dave, by the way, in the room. I don't know if he's in the room right now. Let's see. I think he might be. Yeah, we had massive prints back here on CVS. Yeah, we got into this a long time ago. Patience is paying off, Pinky. And you know what? It's starting to rock and roll. They got approval with the merger with Aetna today. So that's fantastic. But look where they took it. They took it right to a trend line. Oh, you know what? Let me just fix that. Yeah, right to this upper trend line. It's all technical. Okay, news brought it up, but it's going to stop where the technicals are. We really need to break above this. We may retrace back down first, or it might just be a gap and go trade. But we're right by the yearly VWAP. This yellow line is where most of the volume for the year has happened, surprisingly, actually, because we've really been down here a lot. I know most of the volume has happened down here. That's where the dark pool got in. You can go back If you have the Darkpool app and search for CVS, you'll see all of those massive prints that I've posted there. So we know the big boys got in all the way at the bottom. And now if we break above here, yeah, this is a really, really nice trade. Today, though, 63.50. Watch that level. Bearish below 62.45. There you have it. Those are your whispers for September 5th. Until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret, gonna keep it my secret. My secret.